Ape just eat big lunch. Rice, chicken, maybe some fries on the side. Belly full. Ape feel good. But then 20 minutes later, ape brain shut down. Eyes heavy. Body feel like concrete. Ape sit at desk, but he can't think. He can't focus. He can't do anything. So ape just sit there like a rock, staring at screen, pretending to work. This happened to ape every single day. Every time he eat, he crash, and it destroy his entire afternoon. No gym, no studying, no productivity. Just ape fighting to keep his eyes open. Lucky for ape, this is completely fixable. Today, ape teach you why food make him tired and 5 ways to never crash after eating again. First, ape need to understand what's happening inside his body. When ape eat food, body break it down into glucose. Glucose is energy. But when ape eat a lot of fast-digesting food, like white rice, bread, pasta, or sugary stuff, blood sugar spike really high, really fast. Body panic. It release big wave of insulin to bring blood sugar back down. But insulin overcompensate. Blood sugar crash below normal level, and ape crash with it. Brain get no fuel, body get no fuel. Ape becomes zombie. This called reactive hypoglycemia, and it the reason ape feel like sleeping after every meal. Fix 1. Ape swap his food. Not all foods spike blood sugar the same way. High glycemic food like white rice, white bread, fries, and sugary drinks spike blood sugar fast. Low glycemic food like brown rice, sweet potato, oats, vegetables, and protein digest slower and release energy gradually. No spike, no crash. Ape don't need to change how much he eat. He just need to swap the type. White rice become brown rice. White bread become whole grain. Fries become sweet potato. Simple swap, big difference. Fix 2. Ape stop eating like it is last meal. When ape eat too much in one sitting, body have to work extra hard to digest it all. Blood flow go to stomach instead of brain. More food also mean bigger blood sugar spike. Bigger spike mean bigger crash. Ape eat until 80% full, then stop. He eats slower. He chew more. Smaller plate also help trick brain into feeling satisfied with less food. Fix 3. Ape fix when he eat. Go with long hours without food, then eating one massive meal is worst thing for blood sugar. Ape body not designed for that. Instead, ape eat 3 balanced meals spaced out through the day. No long gaps, no giant feast. Consistent fuel in mean consistent energy out. Fix 4. Ape walk after eating. This one's simple but powerful. A 10 to 15 minute walk after a meal help muscles absorb glucose from blood before insulin need to do all the work. Blood sugar stays stable. No spike, no crash. Ape don't need to run or go to gym. Just walk. Even walking around the house count. Fix 5. Ape stop drinking his sugar. Soda, juice, energy drink, sweet coffee. These are liquid sugar bombs. They spike blood sugar faster than any food because liquid absorb instantly. Ape drink water with meals. If you want flavor, he add lemon or drink unsweetened tea. Cutting liquid sugar alone can fix half of ape's crash problem. Ape do these 5 things and his afternoon come back to life. No more crashing, no more zombie brain, no more wasted days. Ape eat and ape keep moving. Hope you enjoyed, and always remember, stay ape.